A cache is designed to store elements of data so future requests can be faster for people. Basically, it's a way to provide data to users faster. The faster people get their data, the happier they are and the more they spend, or the more productive they can be. The act of caching is a round-trip toll road for each action, just a shorter trip than the database itself. Companies are charged for caching and they pay that fee happily because time is literally money. There are a bunch of caching companies like Redis, Memcached, Cloudflare, or whoever else you're using. If you have a caching service, every single request crosses the network and you pay for it happily for the increase in performance. It's a shorter trip than the database, but still takes time and costs you a toll. Because you're paying for that round trip. Thousands of times per second. Millions of times per day. What if you didn't have to? What if there were a way for your existing cache to somehow know what to serve up before any tolls? What if 85 to 99.97% of your requests never needed a trip or a toll and were way faster? Not because you replaced your cache, and not because you migrated to something new, but because there was an intelligence layer sitting on top of whatever cache you already use, learning your patterns, predicting your needs, and serving data from local memory in 0.02 milliseconds. Cachee AI is that caching intelligence layer. Here's what Cachee does. One line of code and some info on your setup. That's the integration. Cachee is tied into your existing cache in less time than ordering a coffee. Your existing cache talks to Cachee. Cachee supercharges your cache to make it faster and more efficient. But here's what happens in between. AI watches every request, learns your access patterns, builds a prediction model unique to your traffic, and prefetches data into local memory before you ask for it. Around 95% of your needs, served in 0.02 microseconds, instantly, 6 times faster than Redis alone minimum. From memory. No network, no waiting. The other 5% or so, they make the round trip to your cache like normal. You don't change anything. You just get faster and take that load off your servers. Now here's where it gets real. We validated this on production Redis, AWS, Elasticache. 662x throughput, not 20% faster. 6.6 times. Your cache calls drop by a minimum of 85%, meaning you don't pay a toll on over 85% of your caching anymore. Your P99 latency cuts in half. Your servers handle 6 times more traffic. Same infrastructure, same code, same cache. 4.5 million requests. 0 errors. Cold start to 80% hit rate in 29 seconds. This isn't theoretical. This is production validated. Today. And it works the same whether you're on Redis, Memcached, or any other caching layer. So what does this mean? Scaling problems? Your existing servers just got 6x plus more powerful. Cache costs? 85% of those calls just disappeared. Latency budgets? You just bought back milliseconds on every request. Locked into one cache provider? Not anymore. Cachee abstracts your caching layer. Switch from, or to any cache provider without changing application code. And your customers and employees get their information faster. They are happy. Request by request. Millisecond by millisecond. While your app serves from memory. One SDK. One line of code. Your cache just got an AI brain. This isn't a new cache. This isn't a migration. This is intelligence for any cache you already use. AI that learns, memory that predicts, and results that are validated, not promised. Up to 6.62 times faster. One line of code, starting now. Don't replace your cache. Put a turbo on it. Cachee AI, patent pending.